Welcome to the Power of Prayer channel. Here is a space of faith, hope and union, where together we seek the strength that comes from prayer to transform our lives. Christmas is a time of celebration, renewal and hope. It's time to remember the greatest gift we received, the birth of Jesus Christ, the Savior of the world. He came to bring light to our lives and guide us on the path of love and peace. Inspiring message from Jesus for Christmas. I am the light of the world. Whoever follows me will never walk in darkness, but will have the light of life. John 8:12. Jesus invites us to follow him, to be bearers of his light, living with kindness, compassion and faith. Remember that true light does not come from decorations or bright stars, but from Jesus Christ, who came into the world to bring hope, peace, and salvation. This Christmas, more than the gifts and festivities, may we open our hearts to welcome the true essence of this date. Christ's unconditional love for each of us. May his presence illuminate your heart and your home, bringing joy, love and unity to your family. Allow the birth of Christ to renew your faith and strengthen your journey. This Christmas, be a bearer of the light of Jesus, spread love, practice compassion and live with gratitude. May the light of Jesus illuminate your life, bringing joy, hope and purpose. This Christmas, allow the love of Christ to renew your soul, strengthening your faith and guiding your steps. And may you be, wherever you are, a reflection of this divine light, spreading peace and love to the world. Merry Christmas! Thank you for being with us on the Power of Prayer channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe so we can continue spreading messages of faith and hope. Until the next meeting, and may God bless you all.